Let me know something.
Just do what the stand the clock and shit. Had to I was getting making this new high speeds on the cops and shit. And how we just spent about like 30 minutes probably playing GTA, just fighting and getting drunk. I'm already drunk. I'm about to see how this feels in a scary game while I'm also drunk. So hope y'all enjoy this. If y'all do enjoy it, go ahead and leave me a like or something like that. Maybe subscribe to a nigga, you know what I'm talking about? Welcome to White Noise 2. We strongly recommend that you read the tips on how to play section.
I recommend you read the tips and how to play section. Should we do that? How to play?
No, I did.
Yeah, definitely do the how to play section.
Alright, hold on. Now, investigator tips. Oh, this is gonna be too much for me.
Yeah, this is a lot. I'm definitely not gonna read all this. To be honest, fuck it. We finna play the game.
No, we're not.
Yeah,
I'm gonna do these.
Nah, don't do all of them, bitch.
Nah, come on, bro.
I ain't even did shit yet. Come on now. Oh shit. Yeah.
Private game mode. Class, a standard AI difficulty.
You're gonna host it then?
Investigator tips.
Yeah, I'm gonna host it. I'm gonna invite y'all.
Use the compass to locate the nearest one. Find the clue. Oh no, this is gonna be some hot shit. I can feel it in my balls.
All you gotta do is show.
I'm getting scared by tutorial.
This is gonna be a wrap.
I'm scared by the tutorial. That's crazy. Select side. Investigator.
Make sure it's not following you.
Oh wait, no. Oh. Wait. I'm hella confused.
All clues have a
One
distinct sound
person
to
could
help
be
you
the,
locate
just
them.
go to investigator.
Wait, so should I do a quick play one or find games one?
Custom.
Yeah, but it would be the AI. Oh yeah, true. I guess it would be the AI though. So should I make it private or public?
Private, and then you just invite us.
Okay.
We should stay together.
I can just invite y'all now. I'm about to invite y'all right now.
Alright.
They say Trish is killing on GTA on my shit.
Okay, looks like we'll be figuring this out on the go.
Alright, I'm gonna select my character.
I'm picking a nigga that's black off rip.
Alright, I'm clicking the bitch because she not scared or nothing.
Alright, trying to join the game.
Yep, we're in here now.
Alright.
I could look stupid. Anna look like she smell her own farts.
Like character.
Wrinkle, she like Velma.
Yep, that's
Phileas, that's
oh, wait, you
he
can see
look
that
like
shit.
he look like he beat off in the kitchen.
man.
Bravery. Oh, we only got so many niggas unlocked, though.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Endurance.
it's alright though. We just keep playing.
Devin can run forever. He got endurance and shit.
Flashlight.
Oh, yeah.
Should I choose a different nigga or can I be the same nigga as
I don't know. Try.
Let's fuck it.
No, you
They're
can't
not
be the same
available.
nigga. You gotta be a different person.
Alright. Okay, well then I'm going to be... If I'm a bitch, then I'm the baddest bitch. Who you
Where should we go? I don't
I'm
know.
Marinko.
I don't know what these places look like, but there's hella different places. There's Spree Park, Usher Manor,
Just choose one.
Gobekli.
Alright, I'll be
Gobekli. Oh, how the fuck did I pronounce that right the first time, nigga?
Alright,
It's Gobekli Ruins,
Beckley Ruins.
Eastmore College,
oh
Barossa
shit, it's my
campsite,
nigga Javion.
Alvira
College. Let's go to
Shelter.
the college. Let's go to
Oh
college.
shit. He said this is not
College.
GTA.
St. John's Hospital.
Oh, we can do that then, yeah.
If you enjoying this stream so far, man, just let me know, man. I'm here and I'm ready to play this game and I'm gonna shit in my drawers.
What is wrong with this
The
nigga?
shit in my drawers. Oh wait, we're waiting for
I
Big.
believe it.
We're
I
waiting for
believe
Big
it.
Cushion.
Oh, this shit finna be scary free.
Every time you scream,
Yeah, they finna do on
Yeah, every time you get anybody.
So
Ooh,
that's
okay,
cool.
okay, let's get it.
Oh,
boys.
no,
Ooh,
it's in
you
first
did.
person.
See?
Back
Oh, like
bro.
shit.
Oh,
Find
You got
the
them.
flashlight.
Let me see the
Sensitivity.
wait,
that
wait.
was scary.
Change the
Them titties.
sensitivity.
Where y'all at, bro?
Wait, where is
Whoa,
Devin
whoa,
at?
whoa, whoa,
Oh,
whoa, it's
oh,
a box
oh,
already, nigga.
run away.
y'all.
Oh, yeah,
Get
get
out,
out,
get out,
get out.
get out. Run
Where
away.
the fuck
Run
is
away.
run,
Run away.
How do you sprint? How do you
You gotta
sprint?
stun it with the flashlight.
Yeah, I did.
Fuck the flashlight.
But you have to stun it in there.
How do you put the flashlight? Oh,
Look at him, nigga. Your flashlight not on. It's just dark, nigga.
yeah, it's dark. Oh no, I don't like this.
Oh,
How you put
press,
on the flashlight?
Over here.
Over
I don't
here.
know.
B. B.
Oh, LS is the sprint.
B.
B is the okay.
Yeah,
Does your
B.
flashlight run out?
Here.
Ooh, stop yelling, bitch.
Okay,
I'm gonna
my
turn mine
bad.
off anyways, just in case. God got his on. That's all I
Oh
need to
shit!
see.
What just happened?
What is this?
My shit just
The tick can be
glitched.
heard nearby.
You probably
Pick up the clue.
lagging.
Oh, what
So
the fuck? My shit loading in.
Oh, there's
I'm
a
very
tape
scared.
right here.
I'm about to dookie in my booty.
Oh, you found the tape? Where you at?
Oh shit, this is Kim K's video.
My shit just lagged. I just got disconnected.
Oh, shit.
Damn.
What the fuck is that?
Oh, dude. Oh, that's
Oh,
That's
good.
playing by
shit,
yourself.
bro, that
Yo.
nigga look like Baraka.
Run away, bro. Run
Nigga
away.
look
That
like
nigga said that
Baraka.
bitch look like.
Just hell.
Is that, can I join you?
Wait,
Come on.
Boom.
Wait, oh, we lost two. We gotta restart, bro. We gotta restart.
Hold on,
T has
hold
to.
on.
T has to.
Hold on. I might be able to join y'all. Hold on.
Oh, he did leave. What the fuck?
I might be
what
able
the
to
fuck?
join. I might be able to join.
Wait, where you go, Dev?
Bro, it just, yeah, it
Uh-oh.
just lagged
Yeah,
out for me.
nigga. Right here, nigga. To the right. Behind you. I'm literally right behind
Okay.
you.
I'm finna pop up on y'all right now. Damn near.
I'm hearing a
I'm
tape.
being scared. This nigga Anthony. This nigga listening to pre-2. That nigga listening to progressive.
Are you able to join?
And he said, "Oh
T?
God, that's my dong, that's my brother now."
Ooh, don't look at that. Don't look at that. Don't look at that. Don't look at that.
Yeah, they won't let me.
He's right
join
here.
y'all. Hey,
He's
yeah,
right
we
here, bro.
started this shit, fam.
Where? What you mean? Oh shit! Ah!
We start that shit. Y'all, Devin. Y'all niggas in there having too much fun. Hey, we start the motherfucking game. We start the motherfucking game. We
Exit
start
it,
the
Dev.
motherfucking game. We start the
I
motherfucking
did.
game.
I'm waving. Stop yelling at me, bitch.
Oh,
Devin, let's get it, bro.
okay.
That nigga Tristan got that crack jacket.
Where y'all
on.
at?
Alright.
Where y'all at?
Right
First
here,
line?
bro.
Right here, nigga. We
Alright.
right here.
I'm scared. Please hold me. Alright, I'm running behind you. I'm
Alright,
running behind you.
y'all got the lights.
Hey,
Why can't I can't run going?
Yeah, you
behind
click
you.
down on the stick.
No, bro. I can't. Oh! I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm out of here.
Oh my god.
I'm good.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Where y'all at?
Yo, wait, I'm throwing the light stick. Give me a second.
For sure. Oh my god.
What happened?
Tristan, where you
Are y'all
at,
good?
bro?
I'm coming
Where
back
you
to
at?
y'all. Hopefully. Shit. What happened?
Yo,
Y'all good?
you got your shit ass
Hello?
behind you.
Oh my god. I'm so fucking scared. I'm so scared.
Nigga grabbed.
Oh, I
Who's
hear
going?
something in my ear. I hear something in my ear. Oh my
Fuck
god.
you niggas.
Hold on. Hey, where y'all at? How I know where y'all at?
Yo, hit Y. We can see you right here behind us,
Where
Dev.
y'all at? Where y'all
Oh,
at?
he go.
Where y'all at? Where y'all
Oh.
at?
With
Hey,
our lights
Tim.
off, you
Oh,
can't
no.
see us. Wait, Dev, stop.
Hey, y'all gotta
bro.
shout. Somebody shout.
Wait, you shout.
I
You
can't
shout.
see shit. I shouted already. Oh shit.
Yeah, I don't like this.
Oh my god, I'm finna have a panic attack. Y'all niggas tweaking. Oh. Oh no.
Yo, Dev, wait up. Where you at, dude?
Oh no. Where y'all at? Oh shit.
Run, bitch.
Why
Oh
is
shit.
there fucking the bugs all on my screen?
Where you go?
Oh shit, what the fuck is that?
Dude.
Where the fuck
No,
is Tristan at?
I have no idea, bro.
We just left this nigga.
Hold on.
Oh, my light
Oh,
ran
my
out.
battery died.
Oh, he disabled my flashlight.
Run for your life, just run for your life.
shit.
Just run for your life,
Oh,
run for your
shit.
life, run for your life, run for your life, run for your life. Oh my god. Oh shit.
No, get off my bang.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh, I almost pissed myself. No cap.
Come on, come on.
Oh
Come on.
my god.
That's the door. Now open the door. I don't even want to touch it.
I'm throwing the light
Just do a
stick right
check.
here.
And here's clues.
Where
right here.
y'all
This is coming
at, pimp? Oh fuck. I don't like this.
He's behind us. He's behind us. He's behind us. He's behind us.
Where
he's
y'all
behind us.
at?
Ooh, where'd he go?
Right here. Scary. Get your bitch ass out of
I
here.
don't like this shit.
Nah, dang. Get the fuck out of here, nigga. Oh shit. I think they got me.
No, I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. Turn around. Stop looking at that though. Stop looking at that though. It fucks you up.
Oh, I'm going into like a base.
Come in here. Come in here. Come in here. Come in here. Oh my god.
What is it?
Dev, where'd you go, bro? Oh my god, I was behind you, bitch. Oh my god, where'd you go? Where'd you go? Okay. We just can't. Okay. It's in here. It's in here. One of the. It's in here. We're finding clues and
I
shit.
can't press X no more, bro. This pisses me off. Oh, it's because the timer.
Oh, I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. Mega bitch. Mega bitch. Mega bitch. Put your light on. Put your light on, bitch. 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 Put your light on, bitch.
Can one of y'all shout? Y'all killing me, man.
I'm gonna die the next time you catch me, bro. You're a
I
bitch.
can't fucking see, bro.
Y'all not doing nothing right.
Die.
This is getting
Look for
out
me.
of
I just shouted. I just shouted. I just shouted. I just shouted.
hand. You just shouted.
Yeah.
Bro,
I don't
this is when
see
I
shit.
said, oh shit, I farted hell
It's just.
This nigga nasty, man.
I'm in this bitch sweating.
Where
Wait for
y'all
me,
at?
Dave. You're walking too fast, bro.
I'm trying to figure out where T is.
Shout. Push wide, T. Push wide.
Hold on.
Hey, press X. Is this the clue right here?
Push wide. Push
All
wide.
right.
I can't even hear
You see me?
Oh my god.
Nah, I didn't, bro. On God, I'm looking too.
Oh shit, I
Oh.
almost just screamed out my
Oh
fucking
fuck! I
ass.
don't like that. Oh shit!
Oh my
shit.
god, run, just run, just run,
Nigga,
just
bro.
run, just run, just. I'm gonna die,
Where's-
bro.
Bro, I
I'm
lost
dead.
you, Josh.
I'm
I
behind you,
lost
I'm right behind you, I'm
bro.
right behind you, I'm
dead
right
to
behind you, I'm
Who
right
right behind
behind you.
me?
I'm right
Right
behind,
behind me.
I'm right behind you, I'm right behind you.
What the fuck is this?
Oh, he's over here! He's over here, Dev!
Bro, we
Oh,
have to
Dev,
find
Dev, 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 he's over here, he's over
To
here,
the
he's over
left?
here, he's over here. Let's go, bro.
Right.
Oh my
Up the
god!
stairs?
Just die.
Oh my god, where'd you go,
Oh,
bro?
I see him over there.
Die.
I'm over here, bro. Where you at, bro? I'm about to die, bro.
That's
Swear to God.
crazy.
I don't know where you
Did
at,
you go
Josh.
up the
I'm finna die
stairs?
too,
Did you
bro.
go up the stairs?
Yeah, I did.
I'm about
Oh,
to die. I'm
yeah, I
coming back.
did.
I'm right here. I'm right here.
Are
I'm
you
on the
going
stairs.
upstairs?
Bro, I don't want to turn around. I don't want to turn around.
What's
Okay. I'm gonna turn around.
Alright, Tristan is this way, bro. Let's go.
Yeah, I know, but he's downstairs though. But there's probably
On
other
my
stairs
screen, it
over
says
here.
it was upstairs. Oh! Bro, you can see what I just seen. That shit.
I know exactly I know exactly what you saw, bro. He just popped up, right? And then disappeared.
Oh, I can recharge my battery right here.
Ooh, let me recharge mine.
Hello.
Oh man, there's only one.
Hear me, bro. I see.
Turn your shit off.
T,
Turn your
stand
shit
still,
off.
bro.
Turn your
Just
shit
stand
off.
still. Turn around.
Alright. Oh, I see y'all. Hold on.
Yeah, I see you on my thing.
I'm coming.
I'm gonna die, bro. I'm hella confused.
Yeah, we only have one more life left. I'm gonna drop another. Oh my god! Shit, dude.
Oh,
You popped up in my face, bro. That's fucked up.
Yeah, see.
Oh shit, we try to get.
Alright.
Oh, what the
Who the
fuck?
fuck? Oh, shit, you scared me, T. Bro, what the fuck? Are you dead, nigga?
I
What
guess
the
so.
fuck?
Yeah, what's where am
Oh,
I? Where am I right now?
Oh
man?
my
Hold
god.
on.
I don't want to do this anymore.
Hold on.
I'm hella
I
scared.
don't like
I
that
don't
shit.
want to do this anymore.
What do I do? What is
You're
that?
dead,
No
bitch.
fucking
You're
what's it
dead,
called?
bitch.
What the fuck is this shit?
What the fuck
I don't
is
know.
that?
But something.
Pull it in the bitch. Yeah, oh!
Just keep scaring you.
Hey, look,
Bro,
close this
Oh,
way.
in
Close
front
this
of
way.
me, bro. That shit
Close
scared
this
the
way.
fuck out of me, bro.
Go this way. Do you have your compass too or no?
I think.
Niggas over
I
here.
don't
Press
know.
X. Press X.
Here, I got
It's
it.
right here. It's pickup tape. Little Debbie has found it.
Oh my god, fucking. Oh shit, it popped up on my screen.
What's going
No,
on?
you can-
Just to stay with us,
Oh, I
please.
think we
I
got
got
to-
you.
Even though you're,
just gotta figure out where to go.
even though you're dead, I still feel safe when you're around.
Yes, nigga. Nothing. Hold on. Okay, okay, there's another clue over this way.
Okay,
That's another clue like right
I'm
here.
in the phone. I'm in the phone.
Where's the clue at? The clue right here?
Be in here, bro. I think it's right here. Yeah, it is.
You got it?
There ain't
Only one of them has it.
Oh, there's another one. Hey, look. There's a little hard shit over here. Come on.
Where are you at? No, wait, come back.
I'm vanishing one of them things.
Use the push down the right.
Where you niggas at, bro?
I'm right here
right
next
here.
to you. I'm right here
I'm
next.
I'm pulling up.
Where the fuck is T at?
I'm right here.
Oh god.
I'm right here.
Oh my god.
Come down. Hold on.
What is this?
Y'all niggas is screaming like right now.
Hey, it's another battery.
Oh shit, what was that? Oh shit. Hey, there's another clue. No, stop.
I'm dead, bro.
Where the creature at?
I'm dead, bro. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Oh shit.
I'm dead. Oh, I'm
Come on,
with
Jay.
you, T.
Come on there.
We're dead.
Oh shit.
I'm 2 Chainz. Most of them will be
Oh, this is so much better when you're dead. I like this.
Oh man, it's so
It's
light.
so bright.
Hey, here's another.
We can
Some
see everything,
ringing.
Devin. What the fuck? This is crazy.
Oh! Why the fuck did I see that?
And they said, oh.
You have no idea, dude. That shit is hella scary.
I think. Oh, sorry.
I got this right here. Oh, I got it.
Oh, we have the
It's
fucking.
not even a clue.
Oh no, we don't.
Bro, this not even a clue. What the fuck? That fucking book's not even a clue.
Let's go this way.
Oh, we can set fires for you. That's our flare. Okay. Okay, if you need us to set fires, let us know. We can hit RB.
Hey, there's two
That's
more
what
things
that
over
is.
there. There's like 3
Where are
things
you
over
at?
there.
Go to the
Hey,
right.
get over
go-
this
oh,
way. Go to the
follow
left,
me.
go to the
Follow me.
left,
Dev.
go to the
Follow.
left.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh wow. Alright, it's okay.
I'm right here behind you. I'm right here behind you.
We
behind
should
you,
split
behind
up low key.
Oh, I see.
So if you need me to drop a fire for you, I'll drop a fire for you, bro. Cause I don't know if I can see him or not. Ooh,
I'm on to the next one.
it lights up the area. It's like a
Oh.
glow stick.
Well, I'm cooler than a bitch.
See?
Digging in my booty and it's much like some shit.
Oh
Hear that
shit.
nigga walking up, bruh. This nigga sound like Mozzie.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't look to your right. Don't look to... You good? You good? You good? You good?
Yo, let's get to
You go left, go left, go left. Don't look to
see
your
that
right.
nigga's location now. I have instance.
Oh, where's he at? Is he LFR or what?
I don't know. It didn't tell me. I gotta pick something up right
Come on.
here.
No, no, that's just the fucking...
Oh, no.
I'm
Fuck.
not really
My
gonna
instance
work.
I just dropped. Watch out.
Nigga said I'm my instance.
This way, this way, this way, this way, this way,
Yeah,
this way, this way.
instance.
Find the other way, other way, other way.
you
Go
go?
through the door, go through the door, go through the door. Go through the door. Right here. No, other way,
door?
behind you, behind you, behind you, behind you.
Oh, this way.
He keeps running away from us.
Oh!
I'm killing all the little things off.
I'm sorry, Mama. Are you asleep?
Do you follow me? Okay, okay, okay. If you need...
I'm right here, bro.
I don't even know which way T went, bro.
Tristan is hella.
I'm coming up on y'all right now.
No, no.
So
I'm...
good.
walking backwards and shit. I'm coming up on y'all right now.
He's running away from us still, bro. What the fuck?
Man, relax.
Okay, finally,
man.
finally. Alright, we're right here, bro.
Wait, hold on.
Hold on, I don't think I'm doing things. I'm not sure.
What the
But it looks like I'm doing things.
I'm gonna drop a fire right here. Come on. Wrong way.
It says
Wrong
the
way.
thing is
Wrong
this
way.
It says that the next clue
Okay.
is this
Okay,
way.
I'm with you. I'm with you. I'm with you. I'm with you. Let's go.
Yeah,
Oh
check.
shit.
I don't know if we can see the creature. Ooh, what the?
Oh, I ain't worried about that one, really.
Hey, we got a couple more things to pop up. Hold on.
Yeah, where's it at,
Hold the
Dev?
fuck. It's right over here. It's right over here.
Hella scared. And why hasn't this nigga came to get me yet?
I don't know. I'm mad confused. Maybe he's waiting
There's
for you
one
to get
inside
another
here.
clue. You get rid of it.
Are we supposed to be doing this?
Oh
I
no,
feel
it's
like
back this way, Dev.
There's a couple of them hoes.
Back this way.
The
Yeah,
compass,
come on.
my compass said it was back this way.
How many times, bro? This shit is
Yeah, it
irritating
is
that
back
the
this
fact that
way.
This nigga keeps scaring me. Like, nice, what you mean run for your life?
What the
Oh,
fuck?
you're dead.
He got me. He got me. Oh my god.
What is this nigga name? Okoff? If you doing back your big pistol grip chin face ass up. We got fucked over, I guess.
Damn.
I don't know. I don't know what the fuck happened. I think we need to read some tutorials.
This
Damn, look
motherfucker,
everything it had us do. Oh, it shows us where they.
Look at Tristan. Look at Tristan.
What was I doing?
Far.
But I was finding, I was
hella
disabling
far from us.
all type of shit. Look at that.
This nigga clicks at disabling, nigga. We got one.
But you were
fucking
dead
this whole
already,
time.
stupid bitch, when you
I
started
was dead.
disabling things, yes.
Yeah, but it still worked, didn't it? I think.
But you
That
need to
nigga
be
Tristan was
together,
hella
bro.
far from us.
The whole game, bro. Look at us trying to catch up with him. Look at him.
You're like, fuck, come on, bro.
That's okay fire that it shows you the path they took to.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was nice. It let me know that
Teammates
we
food.
was like,
Batteries picked up. Creature stunts.
Alright, here we go again. Here we go. Oh, so we can hit the right stick and it tells us what's going on and we can follow that person.
Yeah, I tried that, but it didn't let me.
No, it
Alright, shall I
pops
press
up on
start
the
game
chat.
again?
Yeah. No, not random, not random. Choose a location.
Which location? Which one? St. John's? Or this one?
The college.
St.
Shout out
John's?
to college.
College?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, y'all. Look, man. Me and this bitch trying to get this figured out. Okay, so what's going on here? On
Alright,
the
stay
cruiser,
together.
avoid cruiser.
Where
Where y'all
are
at? Oh,
okay,
shit.
here's T. Here's T. Dev, where
Okay,
you
cool,
go?
cool.
Alright,
Let's go find T.
Dev's up
I
here.
know.
Dev's
Yeah.
up here. Dev's up here. Dev's up here.
Okay,
Okay, okay, okay.
And booty and it smells like some shit. Hold on, let me put my playlist on so I can turn up, nigga.
Nah,
No, bitch. No. We gotta no, bitch. No cheating. Turn behind you guys. He's behind you guys. Trying to light at him. Behind you, Dev.
Come on, let's go.
No, I'm just kidding.
Which way are we going?
And they say, oh, mama.
I'm throwing
Where
him.
we going, yo? Why I'm leaving?
Going this way.
Oh no, alright. T's leading since T think he's so useful.
I'm very
So
useful.
relax.
Alright, where's the clue somewhere?
You gonna get your fucking fat head
Where's
ass
the clue
up.
at?
Hey, hurry up, bitch. This big ass bun on your
Oh
fucking
my
head.
god,
Sticky
bro, you
booty
just
ass.
Where y'all
walking in
go?
circles. We're
Varsity
right.
jacket, turtleneck,
shut
fat
up.
ass. Body
I
like
heard
my
a
auntie face ass.
telephone.
With them little ass shoes on, bitch. What the fuck
Okay,
is
hold on.
those, bitch?
Clue this
Hey,
way.
Ab Simmons. It was Ab Simmons, bitch.
If we have our lights off, he'll have a harder
Nigga
time
Josh got
finding
on
him.
booty shorts. Ah, flame your shit, nigga.
Like Dora the Explorer,
Hey, did we
bitch.
go in the circle? I hope not.
Man, stupid ass.
Yeah, we probably did.
With that bob haircut. You like the bitch from fucking
Run!
Incredible. Oh, shit!
I got him.
How you
Shot.
say
Yeah,
that
I
nigga?
got him. We. You just did B. Run away.
Shit, don't wanna be. Where y'all niggas go? Don't leave me. Don't leave me.
Y'all
Where y'all at?
This way.
Alright, cool. Alright, hold on. We gotta figure out where the next clue
It
X.
is.
says the
Come through
nearest
this.
clue is this way.
Yeah, this way.
The way we came from.
This way, not this way.
Oh, okay.
Where are you at? Okay.
Mine said the other way, but it's cool. It's cool. I'm gonna let Tristan lead.
No, that's so good.
You have your
That
compass.
one you be behind me.
Alright.
Where the
No, why
compass
I
at?
gotta be behind you, bitch? You be behind me.
Oh, it's behind. Hey, it's this way. It's
So
this
if
way.
that nigga grab it,
It's
nigga,
this
he
way,
grab
it's
you
this way, it's
first.
this way.
I don't trust a hoe, I got hoes.
Oh shit, maybe it's not this way. I don't know. We'll figure it out.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. If I was in a horror movie, I for sure had to put my AirPods on so I could listen
Yeah.
to music.
Nigga, no.
Yeah.
What is
for
I
that?
have to, bro, or I'd be too nervous.
sure. Yeah, for sure.
Nigga ain't gonna kill me
You
while
really
I'm
got your-
singing Quarantine Clean, nigga.
Do you really got your AirPods on right now?
Oh wait, hold on.
What's this?
You picked that shit up.
Quarantine Clean, but got a slime disease.
Someone throw a fucking glow stick, bitch.
Location
What
of
the
nearest
fuck?
clue with precision.
Oh, damn. Thank you.
What did it
Bro, I
say?
pressed that shit. That shit ain't do nothing for me.
Oh, here it
RB?
is. Hold
Ooh,
on.
pick up. I got
Oh,
it.
here go another one right here.
Oh shit! What was that?
Oh, you scared me screaming. You black bitch.
Alright,
Well,
hey, let's go.
You get money right
Let's
from
go,
easy for
bro.
a
It's
bitch.
telling us it's the other way. Fuck
The
it,
other way?
whatever. You know, it's good. It's good. We're gonna go.
There's
this way.
probably more
Fuck it.
clues this
I'm
way.
hella confused,
That's what I'm
bro.
saying.
What's this over here that's shining? I'm shining. Wait, energy bar. Give me that.
What's that?
Oh, he's gonna get it before me.
Shut up, bitch.
Run away from that.
Oh shit! What's that?
Eat this real quick. Get my health back.
Oh!
Run! Stay together, stay together, stay
Try to turn my flashlight on.
Oh,
Fuck,
shit,
keep on
shit. Stay together,
I'm out of
stay
here,
together.
bitch.
Yeah,
I'm out of here,
bro.
bitch.
Forward,
I'm out of here,
Keep
bitch.
going, keep going. Turn on your lights, turn on your lights. No,
I
you
can't turn my flashlight on, bro. It won't turn
Oh
on.
shit!
You lost Devin. You lost Devin.
Where's that? Oh shit!
Devin, hit Y. Devin, hit Y, please.
Where's he at?
Oh,
Oh,
he's
you're
over here.
here.
He's over here. Okay.
I did.
Let's go get him. Let's go get him. Let's go
Why
get him.
he running?
Stop.
Where you going?
He's right here. Oh, I got him. I scared him.
Okay,
Oh,
okay.
good job, good job, good job.
Good shit, good shit,
Come
good
on.
shit.
Where
Okay.
did y'all go?
We went straight, bro.
Damn, you fucking threw that stick hella far.
My bad. It's all good. It's all good. Y'all gonna throw
How
him.
far do you think he gets bandage juice?
It says to go left. Why did y'all go right? It says
Okay,
to go
left,
left on my
left.
thing.
Okay, my
Next
bad, my
to
bad.
it.
Where y'all at? Where y'all at? Where y'all at? Come on, hold on.
Could be
Don't
in
look
here.
at that.
Let's
Don't
see.
look at that. Don't look at that. Don't look at that, because it freaks you out.
Nah.
Oh shit.
Oh,
What the fuck is that?
Run away. Run away. Run away. Run away. Oh, he's right on me. He's on me. He's on me. He's on me.
Hold on.
Get off my nigga.
Get off my nigga. Get off my nigga.
Get
off my nigga, man.
Quiet, bro. I'm hella loud. I'm hella loud.
Where my nigga at?
Where are you
Where y'all
at?
at?
Where are you at, T? We
I don't
kept
know.
going straight.
Where y'all at?
Hit Y, hit Y, hit Y. Okay,
Oh,
okay.
yeah,
Never
yeah.
mind, never mind.
Alright, where we at? Hello?
Come on. Fuck, you don't want to die soon.
Too much. Alright, hold on.
Ooh, don't look at that. Don't look at that. Don't look at that. Don't look at that.
Oh, don't.
Alright, I'm looking. I'm looking at it.
No, it freaks you out. All right, so this
Okay.
shit's right here to the
Hey,
right.
look, there's another. It's right
Yeah,
over
this
here.
way,
It's
this
right over here. It
I
should
already
be.
got the
See,
last
watch
the
our
last
back, yeah.
clue, nigga.
Alright, I got you.
This game damn near easy.
Oh shit! No, hold on. I can't.
Ooh,
Oh shit!
Whoa,
Bro, stay together, stay together.
Where y'all going?
Right here, right here. Straight.
You got T.
Turn around. Get him.
Get off my homie, you ugly ass nigga.
Dumbass nigga.
Come on, T. Come on.
Come on.
Let's go.
Just admit it. Committed. Cold hard crippin'. Where T at? Come on.
We're right
shit,
here.
I'm here.
Where's T at?
He's here.
I'm here. Oh, I'm about to. Oh, you
Oh,
do
good
one?
shit.
Good job. Hold on. I got you.
Got it for sure. Yeah.
This shit feels.
We just gotta find the next 6 and we straight, bro.
It's,
Six?
I don't know why it's red.
Oh, it's right
in
here to
front
the
of me.
left. That means it's close. That means it's close. Come to me.
Where y'all at?
Right
Right
here.
here.
It's this way. Someone have your compass or no?
No, I use mine just now.
I got mine. Alright, it says it's this way. So we gotta come out and then go this way first.
Y'all
Yeah,
reading
plus the right.
the tutorial that pops up, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Running makes noise and walking without a light on makes less attention.
Oh, my shit just lagged.
Oh no. No, you're still with us.
I know. it
Where you
says
at,
that.
Dev? Oh, my shit just
I think
like.
I got kicked out.
Yep, Sam.
Damn, what the fuck? I know that's not my
Damn, I
shit
did
that's
kicked
on
out.
But the other nigga took a charge for the motherfuckers. Oh, why
Yeah,
did you
niggas,
throw
what
us
the
in
fuck
this?
is this big ass
I
worm?
don't like this shit. Hold on, I'm throwing
All
something.
right, Tristan right here.
Immediately.
Tristan
Hold
right
on,
here.
I see. Who is this?
Y'all
Alright,
good?
I'm with y'all.
Y'all good?
Yo,
Alright,
this shit's
okay. Where we at? This shit is crazy. Yeah. Alright, it says go this way. Go this way. Let's go this way.
Wait, what? Oh, I'm about to say.
Hold on, bro. This is too much.
Well, what the fuck is that?
Why does it look like
What is
this?
Is that a sky?
Yeah,
Man.
it's the sky.
Oh,
In a circle. I don't know
no.
which direction to go no more.
Right.
Hold on. Hold on.
This
Y'all
shit
good?
is creepy.
Yeah,
That's
it's too
probably
much.
Oh, no, that's the thing.
Hey, who got a
I got $5
what's it
million
called?
and I need $5 million.
I turned my flashlight off just now.
Yeah, I did too.
Oh shit, something's coming from the left. Hey, go to the right. Go to the right. We
Man,
not
I
fucking
heard
with
that shit too, nigga. That shit made my
no,
back hurt.
I'm good. All right, we're gonna go this way. The sky looks so beautiful.
Wrong way,
nigga.
Dev.
Right.
Wrong way,
Where are we?
Dev. Wrong way, Dev.
Well, nigga, he said something come from the left, so I went right.
Yeah, you went left.
What is that? Oh, it's a radio. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit.
It says
It's
Something
right
here, something
here.
literally on top of
It's
the
close.
fucking thing.
Right here.
It's right here. It's right here. It's right here. Good shit. Shut your ass up.
I thought that was zombies.
I'm following you. I'm
That shit
following
look like
you.
it's a fucking taped circle.
Yeah, I don't like that shit.
I'm
Shit
walking
look
behind
like-
y'all with no light, so.
Yeah,
Me too.
I'm not walking without a light too. I don't have a compass yet, do y'all?
I used
Nah,
mine
I just used
earlier.
mine
Shit.
when we got there.
We need to start being a little bit more particular about that shit. I don't
Yeah.
like these noises, my nigga.
Man, them is
This shit is nasty. Hold on.
Walk without our lights on, yeah?
Yeah, hell yeah. Cause everything
yeah, I
lit
can
up
see y'all
anyway.
still, so I ain't tripping that bad.
Oh shit!
long as I can see Josh, I ain't tripping.
The
I'm like
noise.
staring at the back of this nigga Josh head.
This nigga Josh ass looking real nice.
Mm-hmm.
This nigga gay.
Shaq.
That nigga said,
Right or left,
Mm.
right or left, right or left.
All
right or
right,
left.
straight.
I
Or
said right or
or
left, not
yeah,
straight.
this nigga said right or left, and he said straight. Nigga,
Yeah,
it's a
because
rock in front of him.
Come on, man. It's,
Alright, I might come this way.
all right, yeah,
we
you
gotta
should
go
come.
to the left.
Oh, shit.
Watch out, nigga. Watch out, nigga.
Yeah,
Watch out.
motherfucker.
Get his ass.
Back
yeah,
up, back
yeah,
up, back
dumbass
up, back
nigga.
up, back
Oh,
up,
shit.
back
Oh,
up, back up,
shit.
run away.
Oh,
Hell no.
what the
Run
fuck
away,
is he
run
doing?
away, run away.
Oh, shit.
Where's T?
I'm coming
this
here.
nigga
Oh. Where y'all at?
Did he get you?
Oh my god, I just lagged out
We're
again. I'm
right-
tired
oh
of
my
this
This
game.
nigga, this nigga staring at the
Oh
fucking wall and shit.
bro.
Oh, he walked through the wall.
Nigga weak.
Man,
This nigga
she
weak.
said,
Why
nah,
is
you have to host it.
The next one is this way, Josh.
I left.
You gotta pop at least 2 Percocets just to show me you know how to have perfect sex. Gucci made me cry.